Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This video will be a quick one. Today I'm sharing with you a watch that I bought in a moment of weakness. Thankfully, it only set me back $14.82. I'm talking about this Lige quartz clown watch. I'll admit it's a fun looking watch, which is why I've always been drawn to it. The left subdial are the hours and the right subdial are the minutes. The black forehead contrasts the rest of the white face, and the red mouth with the little fangs adds to the fun. Plus the strap is fun. Black faux leather with green stitched hair above, and a white shirt with a red tie below. I figured this watch was worth a $15 gamble, and it's a $15 gamble that almost paid off. I say almost because what's supposed to be the tongue in the mouth is broken. It's sliding and slapping all over the place. You could hear it rattle. That sucks. I submitted a return request with AliExpress for a refund, but after some thought, I think I might keep it anyway. Chalk it up as one learning experience. Besides, this watch has a pressed case back, and I'm going to pop off the back and see what's going on. Maybe I could fix it. If I can't, so be it. If I spend about $15 on a bad watch, I'll throw it out and forget about it. I spent more than that on a bad meal the other day, and without sharing too much information, that bad meal would not let me forget about it. I bought this watch because I thought it was fun. Maybe it'll be fun to take it apart. So what watch did you buy in a moment of weakness? A watch you probably shouldn't buy, but you did. Whether it be something too cheap to be any good, or knowing it might be too big, too heavy, too expensive, too flashy, whatever. Let's hear about it by dropping a comment. And as always, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.